Have you ever had that problem of getting an estimate quickly to one of your customers? Well, let me show you what I found through Service Pros. The CRM, Client Relations Manager, it is loading the data. This is live data. This is current information. We have the ability to look at all the people that we're talking to inside of our leads. I'm just going to pick out one and show you how quick and easy it is to get a proposal out there. You'll see on this screen that I've had some activities with inside this lead. This is the lead itself. I'm going to go into the estimate. You can have more than one estimate with inside of a lead. I'm going to go ahead and do a search on an item number that's specific to my industry. There it is, extremely quick. I'm able to get a quantity. I can add a discount. And I can hit add to order. I'm going to just go ahead and get that closed out. And you'll see down here at the bottom that I added that information to it. I could then email this. And I can actually send two reports. The summary does not show any discounted detailed line items. I'll hit summary and I'll hit send report. And I can always go back and continue with that. I can add more line items if need be. I can do a search. It's going to find everything that you see there. Hit select. Quantity. I don't have to use a discount. Add to order. Close. You'll see it added there at the bottom. I'm going to go see if I've received the email already. There's the email. It's that quick. So say you had to get that to one of your clients. There it is in a PDF. Just another way how Service Pros can bring ease, quickness, efficiency into your business. Thank you.